Hey everyone, and welcome to the beautiful city that is Ho Chi Minh City here in Vietnam. And we're here just for one night. We're on a cruise and we've decided to come into town and stay the night, and we're at the Hilton and we're staying in a king executive room at the Hilton Saigon. So it's quite a new property, and you can tell that with the decor. It's really to our style. So we start off with a nice big king bed. And then you've got a bit of a chaise longue there, somewhere to put your luggage. You've got quite a lot of luggage with you. Now this, as I mentioned, is a king executive room, and we can't remember whether there was an option to book a river view. Unfortunately, we haven't got the river view.
But it's still
It's not bad, and I've just noticed actually the Rex Hotel is just down there, and you've got the Ho Chi Minh statue just down there as well, actually.
Oh, yeah.
That probably wouldn't come out on the camera, but it's down there, trust me. Almost like a full-size dining table, really, which is, I guess, is great if you ever get room service. This is quite comfy as well, somewhere to chill and enjoy the view when you open the curtains.
Do the exec benefits?
Oh yeah, so the exec benefits. So breakfast is 6 till 10:30 a.m, but it's not in the lounge, which is quite unusual. Normally you get breakfast in the lounge. The executive lounge is on the 34th floor. All day refreshments from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m, but that's not all day, is it?
Oh, so it's open until 1 p.m?
No.
All right.
Afternoon tea, 2:30 to 4:30. Evening canapés, 5:30 to 7:30. So yeah, so those are the lounge hours. So back to the room tour. You've got a big Samsung flat screen. This is a mini bar, but it's empty. I quite like that actually.
Yeah, it's
different.
Yeah.
And then you've got kind of your cups and glasses. You've got a kettle there, but no coffee machine. And then you've got some complimentary water. By the way, I like the rug by the bed. That's quite nice. And you may have already noticed you've got a bathroom that you can see into. So let's show you it. Oh, so you've got actually a little bit of a lobby area. I guess this is where you put your luggage actually.
Yeah.
That's quite handy. You've got the safe, a little drawer. And then you've got full marble flooring, marble worktops. You've only got the one sink. I'm sure we'll manage.
First world problems.
And then you've got the standard Crabtree toiletries that you get in pretty much every Hilton wherever you are in the world. And then you've got a bath there with a shower head. However, there you go. However, you have actually got a full-on walk-in shower. Again, with all your usual toiletries. Got a rain shower, you've got a shower head there as well. And then you've got the actual toilet in a separate cubicle. So do we know how to make this darker? There's no blind or anything. I'm assuming there's a privacy screen.
Yeah, there will be.
Is it that?
No, that's just a lot.
Oh, there you go. So that's our room. See it? No, you don't. So yeah, I like the bathroom. The bathroom's nice. So overall, yeah, our room, I'm really happy with it. One thing we should mention is we're actually Hilton Gold, and we didn't get a complimentary upgrade, which is not a given anyway because it's subject to availability. However, they did try to upsell us, so I'm not sure what happened there. Anyway, this is our room, 3816, King Executive Room in the Hilton Saigon, and as usual, we're going to show you around the rest of the hotel.